Hey, welcome to our linear wireless channel. Once again, I have another repair that needs to fix. This customer, one of my good customer actually, one of my buddy, dropped his phone into the paint, and the paint actually got into the charging port. It's not charging, of course, because of that. So we'll see if we can go and try to clean it. If this doesn't work, then we might have to put a new charge port. But what we'll do is we will start by using this microfiber cloth and putting in there. Okay. And then put it at the bottom as well. Right there. It's coming out like that. Okay, there you go. Probably have to do it several times. You see that there? Okay. So right here the paint comes out, and now what I will do is use this rubbing alcohol here. Okay, we just have to make sure that all the paints are out, and then we're gonna clean all around it as well. So we'll see. Okay, so that's how you do it, and we'll see if if it's charging. Okay, there you go. Have to make sure that it is actually charging. Yep, looks like it's all good. Gonna try again. Yep, perfect. Check it out. Yep, so it's all good. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.